In this video today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple landing page using Aweber's landing pages features. So let's create. First of all, you need to sign in to Aweber if you have an Aweber account. If you don't, click the link below so you can join Aweber. They have a 14-day free period, I think. Just click on the link and find out. So let's start. Click on landing page. I'm going to choose blank, but I'm just going to go over this. Look, they got so many pre-made ones that you can use according to what your business is and what you want. So they got so many. You got coaching, about my store, checklist, link list, you name it, they got everything here. That covers majority of the stuff. So if you want to sell a product, you can sell a product here. There you go. Bob's your uncle, right? Okay, so today what we are going to do, we are going to create a blank simple one, and I'll show you how to do that. Click on this, choose this, a blank one. It will take you hopefully to this page. Yep. Build from scratch, yes. Drag new rows and elements. On the left hand side you will have all the elements here, and on the right hand side it gives you the settings, the designs, the landing page URL. If you have a WordPress, you can connect this, but you have to integrate it before you do that. That's another trading video. That's for another trading video. Okay, so you need a subdomain for that. Check out 10 steps to creating landing pages. You can also get some tutorials here if you click on that, but we don't want to do that. What we're going to do is we are going to leave this. This is going to be a header. So how to make money online using this weird, what is that mean? I can't spell today. Weird three-step method. We need a we need a subheading. I have been using this method to make money online for the last few years, and also been teaching others to do the same. Boom, done. See, I've got my subheading, I've got my headline. Now I don't need this, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this. Just delete. I want to add, let's delete all this, yeah, okay. We don't need all this. We don't need this as well. So that's gone. This is gone as well. The whole thing needs to go. Okay, I will leave this. Now we want to add element. We want to add an email, a form, right? Click on form. Let's see what it does. There you go. Simple form. I'm going to increase this. I'm going to take advantage of this. Make sure to take advantage of this free training. What is happening today? Free training. Okay, I'll leave that. I'm going to change the name of that. Tap to get instant access to the video. Yes. Why is that happening today? Okay, that's done. Now if you want to preview this, click on this, and as you can see, you can preview this as well. I'm going to go back to editor and see if I can change this a little bit. the dimensions. Okay, you can customize, you can add custom fields and mobile number. Look, if I click on this mobile number, but I don't want this, I want to remove this. I just want the name and the email, and that's it. I wanted to make it a little bit shorter. Okay, so let's preview this and see how that looks. That looks absolutely brilliant. Okay, I want to change the background of this. Built from scratch. Okay, color. There you go, background. We want to drop something here, so we're going to browse the file, not this one, mate. From image gallery, you see loads here. I'm just going to add this just to show you that you can do that to make it more fancy. Look, it looks nice as well. Right, I got this. This is done. Can you see how easy it is to do? Excuse me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to increase the font here. So I'm going to click bold. It's already bold. Let's see if you want to increase the font size. 48. Let's see which one. 72. Yep, 72 looks nice. How to make money online using these weird three-step method. Okay, how to make money online. Online. See, I forgot to write online. I knew there was something online. There is something wrong today. Online using this. How to make money online using this weird. I'm just gonna weird three-step method. How to make money online using this weird three-step method. Okay, how to make money. I just want to highlight this. I'm going to change this color. If you want to change color, you can. I don't know what this does. Let's let's see what this does. Let me put a little red thing there. Look at that. Excellent. If you want to undo this, go on this. If you don't like it, undo it. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a different color. I want to use a different color, but it's not happening. No, something has gone wrong. Anyway, leave that. I'm not going to go into this because it's going to take a little bit of time. Settings, design. Nope, it's not coming up. I have no idea why is this not coming. Okay, we can use this anyway. I'll bring this to 28. Yeah, and I'm going to use sources. PG Sans Pro. No, do you like this? Serif. Yeah, this is okay. This is fine. Looks nice. I wanted to just change this, but why is he not letting me do that? But hey, it's not end of the world. There you go. It's back here. So I can italic this, bold this, change color. As you can see, we can change color here. I want to make this white. Let's see how that looks. Can we see that? No, we can't. So we're going to turn it back. I want to make this red. Make the rest. Take it all the way up there, and it's red. Yep. Make it a little bit bigger. What we don't want to do, we don't want to make it too big. This one is just fine. That's working fine as well. So. Hey presto is here. Hey. Sometimes it's funny. Okay, sometimes it is funny. Let's change the font. No. We want to change something to something that looks nice. You see their open sans. Let's see what kind of font they have. They don't have many fonts, but let's see. Okay, now what's this? Okay, well, that looks alright. That looks okay. Okay, how to? Let's fix this. How to make money online using this weird three-step method. So weird. We are gonna make that into red, so you highlight, so people know what it is. Or what we can do, we can just stick this there. Look at that. Doesn't that look nice? Or we could do the whole lot, right? Let's do the whole lot. Let's see how it looks. Okay. Well, red, man. What happened to red? Mr. Red, come back. There you go. Oh. Now what happened? Let's undo. There you go, it's gone again. See, when you click this, it goes away. But let's leave it like that for a while. If I change this, the whole thing's going to change. Yeah. We don't want to do that. We don't want to do that. But look, hey, this is how it's going to look. Let's preview this. This looks absolutely brilliant. Now, this is a professional design. A simple one if you want to capture leads. And this is for capturing leads. And that's why I'm using this. We can change whatever we want. I showed you. If you don't like the background, let's change the background, remove it. If you want to keep it white. Simple. Simplicity is the best. Remember, don't overdo it. We can have a preview of the mobile. Look, this is how it's going to look on the mobile. It looks a bit funny. We can change it around, especially the, there you go, the font size. Let's make it 48. That looks nice. Let's preview this. Okay, that looks much better. Okay, looks nice. Tap to get instant access to the free video. We respect your email privacy. Yep. Boom. My whole goal is here for this landing page is just to get the name and the email, and then I'm going to have some follow-up emails doing what I need to do. Okay, so as you can see, it was so easy. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. And if I was speaking too fast, please slow it down. So you can follow it step by step. But there's so many you can do. You can add so much stuff here, social here, right? You can just drag it here, boom, there. If you want to add your social stuff here, you can. Looks nice. We could have it in the middle as well. Look at that. That looks nice. That looks brilliant. Let's get out of the mobile thingy there. There you go. Look, add your links and done. Bob's your uncle, you've done it. Okay. If you want to add a divider here, oops, a divider to divide this section, you can add a pop-up here. A pop-up is email. Basically, we can take this off and just add it here. Okay, click to edit. I clicked. Where do I edit? Yeah, there you go. You can edit here. So let's see, let's preview this. There you go. That should be the pop-up here. Should be here. We didn't do much here. Let's click to edit. Trigger, display, pop-up, drag element. There you go. We just need to add the form. There you go. Boom, done. That's all it is, people. Pips. People. What am I saying pips for? Okay, let's try this. Watch this. Oops. Watch this. Look at that. So if I say, for example, if I just delete this, if I go back there, I'll just have this, and that's it. But I don't want this. I want my stuff back. Yep, good. I'm going to delete this, and that's it. Okay. That's it, people. It was so easy to make, right? Now, I love this feature of Aweber, and you can create multiple unlimited landing pages for getting more leads or selling stuff as well. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a product page, right? Okay, Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.